Hi everybody, it's Heath with MuTechTeacherNet.com, and I'm here to share some exciting news with you. I've written a book called Music Technology 101. It's being published by Hal Leonard, and it will soon be released for purchase either in a digital form or in the paperback. This book is a result of 8 years of experience that I have teaching middle school students about music technology. Before I moved into the world of music technology, I actually spent 20 years as a high school and then later a middle school band director. During this time, I also had the chance to teach AP Music Theory, IB Music, and actually spent a few years as an orchestra teacher. Having that perspective as a traditional or classically trained musician before I started teaching music technology, I think really helps to make this book accessible to anyone who maybe you're unfamiliar or just starting with music technology. When most people think about music technology, they think about a professional recording studio with like the huge soundboards and the racks full of equipment and the maze of microphones and cables that run through it. The thought of learning how to use all this equipment can be overwhelming. But for me, the foundation of what I teach is that I want to teach my students how to create music, not how to use recording equipment or how to operate a certain set of technology. I use the 5 elements of music as the foundation of my curriculum: rhythm, form, melody, harmony, and expression. I sort of think of it in these terms. We don't teach students how to play a trumpet or a clarinet or a violin because we want them to know how to operate that instrument or that piece of equipment. We teach them how to play a trumpet or we teach them how to play a violin so that they know how to create music with it. Same thing with music technology. The purpose isn't to teach them how to operate a digital audio workstation, even though that's important. The purpose is that they learn how to create. Along the way, they have to learn how to use these technology tools, digital tools, electronic tools, and even acoustic instruments to create the music. The focus is always on music creation. If you're interested, I hope that you'll check the book out. You can find it at Hal Leonard, and I'll put a link to the website below. And it'll also be available through other distribution outlets and music stores, hopefully pretty soon. So